Hey guys, I am coming on here to show you a really innovative and fun lip trick I've been using lately. You will be shocked. First, we're going to line the lips, but not with a pencil, not with powder, not with contour, but this very interesting lip stain that comes on black and then eventually peels off and looks like a liner. So make sure your lips are super clean. Mine are clean. By the way, you're about to get scared. You start putting it on. How about this for a look? You can fill it in, and of course then it's going to stain your entire lip, but I'm using this product just as a lip liner. The color is called Hazel. The brand is called Sachu, and it's called Lip Liner Stay In. And oh, like a stain, not stay in. This is it. Let's give it a few more minutes. You wait for it to dry. It's been about 5 minutes, and now we can peel off this madness. Wish me luck. Oh, so satisfying. See? Beautiful. So now you have a lip liner that's actually going to stay all day, not even if you eat or drink, it's not going to come off. But it looks a little crazy right now, right? So we're going to soften it up with an actual lip liner. So what I do is I just go through the edges and I soften everything so that it doesn't look harsh or anything like that. Okay. And leave it light and nude in the middle. Yes, look at that. And now this is going to last all day. But of course, we have to add a little sparkle to it. And this is a very special product to me. This is actually a lip gloss, part of a lip kit that I came out with as part of Get Glammed Beauty a couple of years ago. It's called NBY, which stands for Makeup by Yelena. So this is still a very dear color and product. And we're just gonna pop it right in the middle. It's a beautiful nude, little iridescent sheen to it. And voila, lips that will last all day, guaranteed, and beautiful. And innovative.